thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Page County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia until 4:30 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Luray, or 12 miles southeast of Woodstock, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Luray, Sperryville, Washington, Kimball, Compton, Four-Way, Fairview, Carl, Glen Echo, Bentonville, Panorama, Browntown, and Bradleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Hagerstown and Martinsburg area and the surrounding WXM42 listening area.